Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are well and good. If you are first time in this, please do a subscription to get a latest updates. Today's session talks about the HTML attributes. Okay, what is HTML attributes? In technically speaking, HTML attributes are a modifier of an HTML element. In another way, we can say in HTML elements cannot change its behaviors or properties without mentioning the attributes name, attributes value. So when we talks about the attributes, is it the single word? No, it consists of two things. One is attribute name and attribute value. Whenever you place that attribute name, you have to mention the attribute value as well, otherwise it considers a default value. So in that way, today we are going to see some scenarios to giving some attributes to the some elements to see what will happen. So I am taking two things, one is input panel and the output screen. So input, I have write my code, the output is a browser. So the first thing is, I want to, in my web page, I want to customize my title bar. So I have to give my own title bar rather than to give a default thing, and to display some image file over the title bar. So for that I have to write two things. One is title. In title element I have mentioned that name of the title, and then link element to mentioning the location of the image file by using two attributes. One is relationship, rel, that you can icon as a value of that attribute, and then href. Href is the hyperlink reference, which is mentioning the location of the image file. So without mentioning those two attributes in the link element, it won't happen. The image file will not display on my title bar. So to achieve those things in my title bar, I have to giving two attributes for that link element. So that's the way you can see what will happen. So another thing, is it compulsory all elements have attributes? Not like that. Some element has attributes, some elements does not require attributes. Because for example, the title, if you take the title as an element, it doesn't require any attributes for that, because I just display my static text on my title bar. So that's not required any to change its behaviors or properties. So in that link I have to place the image file so that the image will display on my title bar. So that's why I am giving two attributes for the link element. So okay, see, the next thing is, normally we are placing body tag without giving any attributes. Now I am giving two attributes for that, to give the attributes to the body tag, and let's see what will happen on my that output screen. So I am just changing my background color of the body tag. body of my web page, and then to give the background of the body. So give some image. So what will happen? So whenever you give some attributes to the body tag, the behavior can change. That's the use of attributes. So you can see the background of that particular web page. So you can add some more attributes whichever is required. Laterly we can see in detail. So then third thing is image tag. So without giving those attributes in that body tag, it won't happens. It won't change anything on the body tag, body element. So the other thing is the image tag. See, img, it's an image element. It required some of attributes, which is saying source of the source. src is the location of that image file, and then width, height, border. That's that is not required. But if you want, give your own dimensions, you can give. Otherwise, it considers a default values. The other thing is ALT tag. What is the purpose of ALT tag? If I am trying to access any web page, if in that web page, if any image file is not displaying properly, or in some cases due to some scenarios the image or the resource file is not displaying, or absence of that, in that case the ALT is the alternative text to replace that image. See, you can see, like, the other thing is the title. The title is the text which will give you some descriptive of the image. Whenever you place over you are placing over the mouse inside the images. Okay, let's see, I am just modifying giving some wrong image. It's to disappearing the image, like, so that case I am displaying that sorry whoops. The ALT tag is showing some valuable text to the user. Sorry whoops. So you can give your own text, some meaningful text. That's the purpose of ALT tag. And then the final thing is anchor tag. So anchor tag is anchor is like, it's a hyperlink. So whenever using anchor tag, you have to give that href as a mandatory attribute. For example, like a website is a collection of web pages, right? So each and every website have its main screen. So from that main screen only we can link to the other web pages. So the purpose of the anchor tag is to link to the respective web pages by using the href. So whenever you are using the anchor tag, you have to close that anchor tag. So let's see, I am just giving some href. I am giving some value to the href. Just and click and give some text to the anchor tag. So I click here to view. Just when I click on the text, it will take to some other web page. So that's a purpose of anchor tag. So if you give some without any values on that href, if I am not giving any value to that href attribute, it's giving some file not found exception. The reason is, once I place that anchor tag, it all by default it will refer to some other links. So in that case, the link is not exist, it's giving some browser exception. In that case, you have to give some proper value to that href attribute. So now I am going to give some list of anchor tags by clicking on that the respective text to take me to the respective web pages. Just let's see, just go through the piece of code what I am doing. If my alignment is not proper, I am just using some elements to rearrange my text by using that hr tag and br tag. And one more thing, I have introduced one more attribute named title. So already we have seen that title attribute is used in our image tag. The same funda, it's happening over here itself. So by default, when you placing that anchor tag by clicking on the text, it's reloaded that same page itself. To overcome that issue, I am just using one more attribute named target. So target means which type of opening page you want. You want to open in new page or opening in same page itself. So I am just giving target as a default. It's always opening in new page, open as a new page. That's why I am just introduced that target attribute. See, let's see what is happening when you giving that target attributes. It's always opening in new HTML page. So now I am going to give anchor tag to the image. instead of giving anchor tag to the text, I am just placing image as a anchor tag. So I am just placing that image tag by replacing that text. Instead of putting that text, I am just putting that image as a hyperlink. So by clicking on that particular image, it will take to me to the separate web page. See, let it. I hope you enjoy this session.